Let us start this lecture with type 3 mixed letter coding, in which some group of words are coded into another group of words, or sometimes in questions group of words are also coded into numbers or symbols. What we have to do in such type of questions, we have to find out the code for each words as per the requirement of the question. Now we will find out the code for each word for these questions. First of all, we will read the direction for this question. What is given in the question? Study the following information to answer the given questions in a certain code language. Challenges for rural education is written as VX, PR, BT, JD. Likewise, 4 messages are coded into 4 different codes. Now we will find out the code for the each word. How to do that? Just find out the common words in messages, and as we get the common word, then we can find out the common code for that particular word. Let us understand by solving this code. Firstly, we will find out common words in the messages. Before that, we will give the number to the messages. This is a message 1, 2, 3 and 4. Challenges for rural education. Here it is, find measures for problems. In message 1 and 2 there is a one common word, that is a for. As for is common in 1 and 2, and in code Z is common, so for is the code for is ZD. It is very simple. Next, in message 1 and 3, in message 1 and 3 there is a challenges is a common, and in code 1 and 3 there is a BT is common, so that code for challenges is BT. Likewise, we will find out the code for the each word. Message 1 and 4 there is a challenges for rural education, education difficult, education is common. Education is common in message 1 and 4, and the code for it is PR, that is a common in 1 and 4. Likewise, we will find out the common from 2 and 3. Find measures for problem, expert find challenge. Here it is a find is common, and 2 and 3 which one is common? DL. So code for find is DL. Next to it is message 2 to 4. In message 2 to 4 there is a nothing is common in message 2 and 4. So next, message 3 and 4. In message 3 and 4 there is a difficult is common, and in 3 and 4 code is which code is common? KA. So K is common, so the code for difficult is KA. Up till now we have got the code for these 5 words. As in first message we have known the code for challenges, for and education. Challenges, for and education. We got that the code for ruler is, which is not present in this one, that is a VX. Code for rural is VX. Next, find measures for problem. In this find and for we have known, measures and problem we don't know. So for measures and problem there is a, we don't get exact code for this word, so remaining is WS or HO. In expert, third message, experts find challenges difficult. We got the code for find, challenges, and difficult. So remaining word is expert. So that remaining code from it is MU is for experts. So we will write it down. In examination, as per the question asked, we have to find out the code for the words. If there is only one code is asked, then it is not required to find out the code for each word. Now message for education difficulty in villages. We have code for education, also code for difficult, and there is no code for in and villages. So we will write it down. In villages. In or villages may have code as a XQ or EG. As PR and K is allotted already, so remaining is XQ and EG. Now we'll move on. Question number 1. What is the code for difficult in the given code language? Code for the difficult is KA. So option B is correct. Question 2. What is the code for villages in the given code language? There is not an exact word for the village. That word code for the village may from XQ or EG. Which one is correct option? Option C, that is either XQ or EG. मतलब विलेज के लिए एक तो XQ भी हो सकता है, नहीं तो EG भी हो सकता है. देर इज नो स्पेसिफिक कोड इन दिस coding. Next, what will be the code for find education? Code for find is DL and code for education is PR. So the DL PR or PR DL is a correct answer. That is the option A. Question 4. What is the code for challenges in the given code language? Code for challenges is BT. Option C. Question 5. In the given code language, what does the code HO stand for? We know that HO maybe stand for problem or measures. There is no specific word for this code. As we have find out the pattern, we got that HO may have measures or problems. So option A, either measures or problem. Next question. Question 6. If experts find solution is written as DLNYMU in the given code language, then what will be rural solution difficult be coded? We know experts, that is MU. After that find DL. So code for solution is NY. Code for solution is NY. Now what will ruler solution difficult? Ruler having code VX. We'll write it here. Solutions having code NY and difficult having code KA. So which one is option? VX NY KA. VX NY KA. Order is not important. That hope you have understood this first question number 1 to 6 based on this information. Now we will move on next question. Next question, question number 7 to 11. Study the following information to answer the given questions. In a certain code language, few organic farming techniques is written as LIGSDACR. Likewise, 4 messages is converted into 4 different code group of codes. We will give the name to the message 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our first step is to find the code for each word. For that we have to find the common words in messages. Firstly, we will find out the common word in first and second message. That few is common, and in code, first and second code, GS is common. So code for few is GS. Next, first and third, in first and third, organic is common, and in the code, CR is common. So code for organic is CR. First and fourth, farming is common, and here LI is common. So code for farming is LI. Next, from message 2 to 3, fertilizer is common, and here which one is common? NB. Fertilizer, code for fertilizer is NB. Next to it is message 2 to 4. In message 2 to 4, nothing is common. So we will move on message 3 to 4. In message 3 to 4, waste is common, and here waste is common, and code for waste is, which one is common in 3 to 4? NBCRPT MK is common. So that code for waste is MK. After picking common words, we have got code for 5 different words. Now one by one we will check the message. Few organic farmer is already, the code of it is already known. Remaining is a technique. So the code for the technique is GSCRLI, that is a DA. DA is not available in few organic farmer. So that the code for technique is DA. Next to it is fertilizer products, few available. Fertilizer NB already coded. GS is also coded. So PZFO is code for products available. Code for products available is either FO or PZ. Next to it is organic waste into fertilizer. Organic code is CR, waste code is MK, and for fertilizer it is a NB. Remaining is a into. So code for into is PT. Remaining fourth one is a disposal of farming waste. Farming waste is already coded as a MKLI. Remaining is a disposal of. So there are two words: disposal, disposal of, may have coded as HU or YU. Disposal of may have coded as HU or YU. Now move on the question. By this information we can easily solve the question. Question number 1. Sorry, question number 7. What is the code for organic? Code for organic is a CR, option B. Question 8. What will be the code for few waste? Few having GS and waste having MK. So MKGS, option A. Next, question 9. What is the code for organic? It is a repeated one. So that code for organic is CR. It is the same as question 7. Question number 10. In the given coding language, what does the code for YU? There is not exact word for YU. YU may have word either disposal or off. So option C is correct. Either off or disposal. Question number 11. What is the code for available in the given code language? Available. Available may have either FO or PZ. Either PZ or FO. Option A is correct. We will stop here. If you have any question, you may ask. Thank you.